Welcome to another demo of Nakisa Decision Intelligence, NDI. Today we'll use the platform to perform an HR data quality check. We'll be prompting NDI to analyze our HR data, validating it against our internal rules, and flagging anomalies. To start, let's ask NDI to remind us of our internal HR data quality rules currently in place. The system provides me with a clear bullet point list of my different set of rules. Some follow-up questions are suggested. In my case, I want to quickly assess the quality of my data. To do this, I request the system to calculate a data quality index. NDI analyzes every rule I've set and calculates how closely my current data follows them. I can see it break down the score per rule with a final total score of 87.7%. I ask the system to compare my organization's index with industry standards. Great! Our index is aligned with the typical 85 to 90% standard for HR data. However, some areas have lower scores and represent opportunities for improvement. Importantly, Rule 9 concerning departments and job family diversity scored a low 38.5%. Let's prompt NDI to focus on this specific rule. The system first visualizes every department with more than 3 distinct job families. I can see the list in my chat, but also a detailed, downloadable table on the right. I ask for a more visual representation of this data, like a graph. NDI creates a bar chart, color-coded to show departments with diverse job families representation. I can ask further questions to drill down into this data. For example, requesting a breakdown of all job families assigned to these departments. This automatically updates the table on the right, providing a detailed view of every job family per department, along with the number of positions. Let's ask NDI to flag mismatches between job families and departments in my data, based on common industry groupings. The table updates. It shows whether each job family typically belongs to that department or if there's a likely mismatch. For today, let's focus on the manufacturing department. This time, the table only includes job families in the manufacturing department. It looks like outside of operations, most of my job families don't typically belong in this grouping. I click on one of NDI's recommended follow-up questions to get a suggested cleanup strategy for my manufacturing job families. NDI provided a tailored 5-step strategy to improve my HR data quality. I now have a tailored 5-step recommendation to address my data quality issue. I can also continue the conversation and analyze other departments. This concludes our demo of HR data quality checks with Nakisa Decision Intelligence. Using simple prompts, I've run a full assessment of my data, flagged anomalies and areas for improvement, drilled down into a specific department to uncover issues, and received a step-by-step plan to address them. Thanks for watching. For more videos on the Nakisa Decision Intelligence platform, subscribe to Nakisa's YouTube channel, where we'll be featuring practical examples, tips, and best practices to help you unlock business value.